My first official pro model board is finally out. This was the board that was designed for me to go pro for the Friendship skateboards a couple years back, and unfortunately because of COVID they went out of business. But thanks to NARS and the artist Nate Josky who designed this, who gave me the permission to add a little NARS charm to it, it's finally out. This board is extremely personal to me because I got to play a role in the whole design of everything, what I wanted it to look like, and things that resemble what I think are most important in my life. What's also rad is Nate Josky, who designed this, he molded this entire graphic by hand. This sequoia tree, all the little sheep down here, everything was handmade and photographed and then put onto this board. So a ton of care went into this board, and I'm so honored to have had him design this over anybody. I'm obsessed with the Sequoia National Forest. Kings Canyon is my favorite place on earth. I used to teach at YMCA skate camp back in the day up there, spent a lot of time up there, and that place is magical. The sequoia tree is so amazing because it's the oldest living organism on Earth. And the reason it's so old is because it has bark that doesn't burn. So when fires come through and tear down the forest, it still stands. And lightning and fire also help it to drop its seeds and reproduce. Also, they wrap their roots around each other underground and they hold each other up. Because of those two reasons, their resilience and their support for each other, they can withstand pretty much anything. And they turn something bad into good. Also, my wife, who's filming, her name means hyacinth in the Cambodian language. You can see little purple flowers all around the base of the tree. Those are hyacinths for my wife, who's the reason that I started this channel and why we're still going today. And then all these little sheep, they're also very significant to me because I've had a lot of pretty wild personal experiences with God in my life. They represent the 12 apostles who came from all different walks of life and were still used to do great things. So as you can see, this board pretty much represents all of my values and the things that I think are most important in life. Also, another amazing thing about this board is there is a chip in the middle of it. So when you hold your phone up to it, you can scan it and it'll bring you to a link to the video part on my channel. There's hardly been any boards made like this so far. So if you get this, it's a perfect wall board. You can skate it too. You can even do a tray flip, pop it up, scan it, and bring up the part. Trip your friends out. The fact that I can put a chip in the middle of this board is all thanks to Board Pusher. I've talked about them before. They are the best custom skateboard website you can use. This was printed through them. They print all the recent boards that I've been skating. They come out so good. You just upload a high quality PNG, boom, look how nice it comes out. And their wood is amazing. These guys are skaters just like us, so they know what's up. Also, they print on different shape boards, so you can get all kinds of different shapes and sizes, whatever you want. Get cool cruisers, this is my wife's board. And they also print on grip tape. Look, we got our logo right there. Pretty awesome. So if you want a custom board made, go check them out. It's the best company you can do it through.